absolutely awesome.
Oh wow, I done something.
Get lots of different perspectives.
This is my second time with the Dice Players. I'm a total beginner, never done anything like this before, but I've always been interested in the arts, been to a lot of shows, so this is the first time I've actively got involved with it, and it's just a wonderful place, and there's always something unexpected. It's a real privilege to be a part of this, so thanks Desi.
And I joined Dice Players because I want to make new contacts, I want to hear a lot of different stories. As a struggling actor, you can never have too much experience.
I came down here today from Ballyfermot. I'm with Basement Productions, which is an amateur acting drama group in the area of Ballyfermot. So we've been following the Dice Players for a while because you guys are already down in Palmerstown, which is brilliant. We're neighbours, 100% recommend, love it.
I think everyone should do that because first of all it puts you out of comfort zone, you become more confident, you kind of become more in tune to who you are and what you actually want from life. That's why I came to this workshop. It really brings and gives you lots of joy and happiness and like that fulfillment. Like every Saturday I wake up, I cannot wait to go to the workshop, and then when workshop is finishing I'm like, oh wow, I done something, and I cannot wait for the next Saturday.